Hey folks, welcome to the channel. Today the guys are heading 10 miles off Morich's Inlet in search of something good. Will it happen? Stay tuned to find out.
Shark? A sea robin?
All this way to get this one.
Let's follow. Look at all of them. Look at all of them. God damn it. Look, they're up on the top. God damn it. All the way here for sand sharks and... What the heck? Look at this.
Brought him up 85 feet. 86 feet.
Yeah, that's all we're gonna get. This is a far ride to catch sharks for.
So got something?
I have something.
GoPro capture.
That's another shark. You gotta be kidding. All the way out here for these fucking things.
That voice command only works in my bedroom. Ah, you keep getting good ones and I get off right there. Even if it is one of them things, I just want to see what the hell it is.
Hell yeah. There's another did it again. I'm not tying a proper knot. I'm gonna go with I'm not tied up. Another?
He's all wrapped up. So much for having fun.
Oh, look what's right here again. The fuck Albies are back, and I can't throw anything at them.
So many of them.
I hope they come close enough to actually see what they are.
There were so many dog fish, they were coming up foul hooked.
I'm gonna be next to the boat in a second. Yeah. They're Albies.
Right to the boat.
Yep. Right at the boat, and I can't do a thing.
It was at this point the boys finally came to realize the fact that they were once again going home without dinner. While Chris struggled to bring up his last dogfish of the day, Richie refused to give up and searched for his deadly dip, in hopes of catching one of those elusive olbies they had seen appearing then disappearing all day.
Oh, I got a little deadly dick somewhere.
There it is.
A little tiny deadly dick with a nice rusted hook.
But that would be all they caught for the day. Maybe next time they will have better luck. I doubt it because these guys suck and really have no idea what they are doing. But tune in again to find out. Please like and subscribe for more adventures.